Deb's Villa Cucina. This is a dairy-free version of that old standard green bean casserole. We call this one Nutty Green Bean Casserole because it starts with about 2 pounds of, and actually I did less, of green beans that I blanched for about 5 minutes so they're soft but not mushy. Then I sauteed about 8 ounces of mushrooms and a whole onion diced, and I sauteed that, so that's all that's in here now. And now for the sauce, it's a ½ cup of raw almonds, it's a full cup of almond milk. Then in here I have a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and we're gonna add a teaspoon of organic coconut aminos. I think it just gives it that extra taste. And I'll blend it up. All right, we've blended it up, and I'm gonna pour this on top of the, oh, it smells good too. And then I'm gonna put about a ½ cup of breadcrumbs on top of it, put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 or 20 minutes, and you'll find that this is a better replacement for that old green bean casserole with the mushroom soup and the onions. I hope you try this one.